How's it going, guys? Let's do a quick dissection. So I had a job here a week or so back ago, and this little relay was having intermittent issues where it would turn on the blower fan, wouldn't turn on the blower fan. You give her the old percussive maintenance and it would work. So these are those solder on board style relays. It's kind of interesting. Apparently the coil voltage is 22 volts DC. I don't play with too many boards, but this board was crazy expensive to replace, and this cost, I don't know, less than 20 bucks. So anyways, I desoldered it from the board and soldered a new one in. Everything seems to work fine since then, but I was going to take this apart because I want to see how the contacts look and why it failed, and if it was the part that failed. So I'm going to take you guys along. We're going to open this up and dissect it. So I got a soldering iron, and I'm hoping that we'll just be able to melt the plastic. Man, this smells terrible, by the way. Smells like straight cancer. So here you guys go. This is what the inside of this relay, board relay, looks like. So right here on the board, this is where your two power wires would get connected to. That then energizes this coil up, and it pulls in this set of contacts right here. But you can't really see all that great. Let's see if we can see it better here. Let's zoom in. Zoom in under the light. Whoop, whoop. So yeah, in here is a set of contacts. And they're right done worn out. Let's take this part further and see if we can't see exactly how worn out these are. But yeah, so there's just a plunger in here. You apply power to those two pins. This pulls this, sucks this plunger in here. Pulls, oh, there we go. There we can see that good. Pulls that down. So you have a set of normally open contacts, or sorry, right here you have a set of normally open contacts. And that's what was operating the blower fan. And right on the top here is a set of normally closed contacts. So if we flipped it around, we'd actually be able to tell this pin is our common pin, because that goes around to here, and that's the middle piece. And that's the middle piece right there. This pin would be our normally closed set of contacts, and this pin would be our normally open set of contacts. So as we can see here, here's that tab for the common, and this is attached to the plunger, goes up and down. This is our normally closed set of contacts. Everything looks pretty clean. But now if we continue to rip this apart, there's this set of contacts right here. So this is the common side of the set of contacts, and they're all pitted, corroded. We got all that black carbon stuff. And here's the normally open set of contacts right here, and it's all pitted. So this is exactly what I thought was happening. Oh, and here's the inside of this plunger. This magnetizes. So what happens when you energize these two wires right here? It induces a magnetic field in here, magnetizing that little button there, and that sucks that in. So pretty interesting. Let me know in the comments if you know the difference between a relay and a contactor. So yeah, this is what I figured the problem was. That board would have cost the customer north of $800 to replace with time, labor, travel, and the board. This part cost, around 20 bucks or so, plus the time to desolder and solder in a new one. I don't know, a couple $100 to replace this on the board. So hopefully we get back to the old days where it's more fixing parts instead of just replacing stuff. But I ain't holding my breath on that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you next time.